Hello everyone, and welcome to Kraken's Crafting Cottage. Today's project is the second in the garden series inspired by nature. I'm showcasing two different styles today. The first is a rustic welcome sign. The second is a shabby, chic sanctuary. Say that 5 times fast. I'm starting off this project using a combination of E6000 and hot glue, adding a small dollop of each to the back of various Dollar Tree glass gems. In hindsight, if I wanted a cleaner edging, I probably should have started on the outer rim and worked my way in. I found that the messier I made them to fill in the gaps, the better it appealed to me, even if I had to layer a few catty-corner to do so. So very sorry that I flaked on recording my first double glue attempt, hence the mess here. But again, taking the E6000 and hot glue combo, I attached the gemmed bowl to an upside down Dollar Tree wax warmer. Once the glue has really dried and cemented, I come in with my hot glue gun and some Dollar Tree twine and wrap the outside of the bowl a small section at a time. Thanks for sticking around this far in this second video of the garden series. If you haven't already, please take a second to like, subscribe, and/or share the video to help beat the algorithm and assist in our family channel's growth. Let's keep going. We're almost done with look number 1. Now it's time to come in with a pair of scissors to clean things up, maintaining a focus on any spots where hot glue may be peeking through. Using that same Dollar Tree twine, insert into each of the wax warmer holes, one across from the other to help secure it when we hang it. I use 2 pieces of twine in each hole. Alright, let's test it out. Adjust the twine accordingly as if you were going to hang it from the branch. Tie a secure knot with all 8 pieces of twine. Then take a zip tie and tighten it around the bottom. You can cover that zip tie by taking even more twine and hot gluing it around the base of the knot. I could end it here, but we all know that I'm just a little bit extra. We also know that I love multifunctionality in my home decor. I've decided to use an old school hanger hardware. And again, using that combination of E6000 and hot glue, I fasten it to the bottom and fold in the open corner. Placing the Dollar Tree tin sign on a prepared surface, I'll take some light blue acrylic paint and go in for completing that rustic feel. I discovered that simple strokes were not the way to go with this particular paint. I had to dab all the way. While the lower part of the front of the sign is drying, take some red acrylic paint and start on the blades of the windmill. With this brand, I was able to make strokes, which made it a lot easier to complete. Because I can never leave well enough alone, I went an extra step and covered the stems that were holding the welcome with blue as well, just to blend it a little further. Repeat this paint and dry process on the back and go in for a second layer for each. Once all the layers of paint have dried, seal it with some Mod Podge. I added a little extra element here in placing a Dollar Tree incense burner. You can put birdseed in there if you'd like, but I just added some more glass gems. Our rustic welcome sign is super cute. But it wasn't quite complete to me. Let's make it even more inviting to our feathered friends, and a little more shabby chic for my personal preference. I've taken some scrap ribbon I had left over from previous projects, and guess where I got it? That's right, the Dollar Tree! Coming in with a hot glue gun, I'm securing this ribbon just slightly over the lip of the rim to give it a more finished look. Because it didn't quite go all the way around the bowl, I'm taking a bow that I made for a previous project, adding some Velcro because you know me and seasonal changes, and placing it directly where the gap in the ribbon is. That's it. That's all it took to take it from drab to fab. I really think this shabby chic sanctuary. I love watching the water and gems glisten in the sunlight. You can choose to leave the center open as a birdhouse, or you can place a battery-operated tea candle in the center. Guess where I found it? And it was in a 3-pack. Which one would you hang in your garden? Let me know in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please, friends, take that split second to like and subscribe. And check out the first video of the garden series here. Have a blessed and beautiful week, everyone.